So we get through, we finish our opening statement, and we get into witnesses. When the witness comes up, you obviously have to announce what witness you're calling. Person comes up, gets sworn in. Now, when you're doing direct examination, you cannot lead a witness. That is, in your witnesses, if it's your witness, you can't help her. You can't help him. That's what it means by saying you can't lead. It means translate lead to help. You can't lead a witness, you can't help. If it's your witness, you can't help him. So I can only ask questions that don't suggest anything by them. You have a watch, don't you? That suggests I'm trying to get them to say, yeah, I got a watch. You know, you were at the bus stop, right? Versus, where were you on January 4th at 2 p.m.? That person doesn't have to guess. It's not like, where were you on January 4th? Well, geez, I was a lot of places. So you have to be very directional when you ask questions. You have to ask an open-ended question, and that's what your homework was. I told you at the very beginning of this. As you get better at that, you'll start only asking those questions. Tell everybody. I want to listen. Even if you want to speak, I want to listen. I'd rather speak to you and know what you're talking about. Wow, she's cute. Wouldn't it be great if I knew a little bit more about her, so when I try to talk her into my heart, that I have some data about her, as opposed to my perception of what I need to be on my side? So you get an understanding of that's what you need to do. So the witnesses are going to have to answer questions that are directed by you. Now, obviously, if you prepare your witness is going to know those questions. But the concept is who, what, where, why, when. Please tell me. Please explain. If anybody can answer a question with one word, that's not good. If anybody leads anybody, that's not good. When they teach you, when we do these mock trials with either high school, college, law students, and trial lawyers, when I do these seminars like this, I have what's called the all object rule. That means you and I'm the witness, you're the lawyer, you're all the defense lawyers. Anybody can object. So what happens is, geez, I better ask that question right. Somebody's going to say leading. Okay? When you're in class, use the all object rule. Make sure when you object, I don't care who you are, I don't care what kind of shirt you're wearing, you stand up. I don't care how bashful you are, how you don't like your hair, stand up. Objection. So whenever you practice what you're going to live. Okay? Very important. So I use that all object rule, I'll start to ask questions correctly because they're not going to be leading. And I'll tell you, it's a challenge. There's a natural feeling of saying, so you were there, right?